Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm your host, Jason, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you want to speak better English, you are in the right place.
Hi everyone, I'm Julia, your co-host. Today we have a very exciting topic because we are talking about Black Friday. Many people around the world love Black Friday, and you will hear this word a lot, especially in November.
Yes, that's true. Black Friday is one of the biggest shopping days of the year. There are many discounts, many sales, and many people buying things online and in stores. And today, we will teach you how to talk about Black Friday in simple English.
Exactly. In this episode, you will learn what Black Friday means easy. Black Friday vocabulary. Useful phrases you can use when shopping. How to talk about buying things in a store. How to talk about shopping online. And we will also do a real conversation role play so you can practice listening and speaking.
Our goal is to help you feel confident when you talk about shopping, deals, or Black Friday with your friends, classmates, or even in English-speaking countries.
So stay with us until the end. This episode will be fun, simple, and very useful for your English learning.
All right, let's get started. So, let's start with a simple question. What is Black Friday? Black Friday is a very popular shopping day that happens every year in November, usually the day after Thanksgiving in the United States.
Yes, and on this day, many stores give big discounts. A discount means you can buy something for a lower price. For example, if a phone is normally $300, but on Black Friday it is $200, that is a discount.
Right. People love Black Friday because they can save money. Many people buy clothes, shoes, electronics, toys, and even home items on this day.
You will also hear many words like sale, deal, and special offer. These words all mean that something is cheaper than usual.
And it's not only in the United States now. Many countries around the world also have Black Friday sales. Even online stores have big sales. So, even if you don't live in the US, you probably see Black Friday ads on your phone, TV, or social media.
That's true, and sometimes stores open very early in the morning, or people wait in long lines to buy things before they sell out. Sell out means everything is gone and there is nothing left to buy.
So, in simple words, Black Friday is a special shopping day with big discounts, big sales, and big excitement.
And today we will help you talk about it confidently in English.
Now let's learn some important vocabulary you will hear during Black Friday. These words will help you understand ads, stores, and conversations.
Yes, let's start with the first one, sale. A sale means things are cheaper than usual. For example, this store has a big sale today. It means the prices are lower.
Good one. The next word is discount. A discount is the amount of money you save. For example, there is a 30% discount on shoes. That means the shoes are 30% cheaper.
Another useful word is deal. A deal means a good offer. When you hear Black Friday deals, it means great prices and special offers. You can say, "That's a good deal," when something is cheap.
Next, we have special offer. This means a product has a special price for a short time. Stores use this word to make people buy quickly.
Yes, and another important word is limited time. This means the offer will not last long. For example, this discount is for a limited time only, meaning you have to buy it soon or the price will change.
You will also hear the word doorbuster. This means a very big discount to bring people into the store. It's like a super strong sale, usually early in the morning. People sometimes rush to get doorbuster deals.
Oh yes, here's another. Sold out. If something is sold out, it means everything is gone. There is nothing left to buy. For example, the new phone is sold out.
And here's a phrase many people love. Buy one, get one free. This is also called BOGO. It means you buy one item and you get another one for free. Many stores use this during Black Friday.
Let's do one more. Checkout. This is what you do when you finish shopping. In a store, checkout is where you pay. Online, checkout is the final step before you buy something.
Great. These words are very common on Black Friday, and understanding them will make shopping much easier.
Yes. And next, we will learn useful English phrases you can use when you go shopping on Black Friday.
Now that we know the key vocabulary, let's look at some useful English phrases you can use when shopping on Black Friday. These phrases are simple and very common.
Yes, and the first one is this on sale? You can use this when you want to know if the price is lower than usual.
Another useful phrase is, how much is the discount? This helps you ask how much money you can save. For example, if something is 50% off, the discount is half the price.
Here's a very helpful phrase when you're looking for something. I'm looking for example, I'm looking for a new jacket, or I'm looking for a cheap laptop.
Good one. And sometimes you need a different size, so you can say, do you have this in another size? This is very useful for clothes and shoes.
Yes, and if you want to compare prices, you can say, is this the best price? This is a polite way to ask if the item can be cheaper or if the discount is already the lowest.
Another helpful one is, can I try this on? You use this when you want to try clothes in the fitting room.
If you want to buy something, you can say, I'll take it. This means you want to buy the item.
And here's a phrase for online shopping. Does it have free shipping? Free shipping means you don't have to pay extra money to deliver the item to your home.
Let's give them a quick example. If I'm in a store and I see a pair of shoes, I might say, excuse me, is this on sale? The staff might say yes, it has a 20% discount. Then I can ask, do you have this in another size?
Great example. These simple phrases will help you talk confidently when you shop during Black Friday, whether it's in a store or online.
And now let's move into something fun, a real-life shopping conversation so you can hear these phrases used naturally.
All right, Julia. Imagine we are inside a big shopping mall on Black Friday. There are so many people, so many discounts, and so many sales signs everywhere.
Yes, it's really busy here. Look, Jason, that store has a big sign that says 50% off today only. That looks like a great deal.
Let's go inside. I'm looking for a new jacket. Oh, here's one I like. Excuse me, is this on sale?
Yes, it has a 40% discount today.
Nice. That's a good deal. Do you have this in another size?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Great. I'll try it on.
While you try that, I'm going to check the shoes. Oh, wow. Buy one, get one free. That's amazing.
Don't buy too many. How much are they after the discount?
They're only $20. That's cheap. I think I'll take them.
And my jacket fits perfectly. I'll take it too. Let's go to checkout before everything gets sold out.
Good idea. This is why people love Black Friday. You can save so much money.
And now you know how to talk about Black Friday in English while shopping. Now let's talk about something many people love. Online shopping on Black Friday. Today, you don't always need to go to a store. You can find amazing deals right on your phone or computer.
Yes, online shopping is easy and fast, and you will see many useful words like add to cart, checkout, free shipping, and return policy. These words help you understand what you're doing when you shop online.
Let's explain them with a simple example. Imagine I find a pair of headphones online. First, I click Add to Cart. This means I want to buy it, but I'm not finished yet.
Right. After you add everything you want, you go to checkout. Checkout is the place where you pay. It's like the cashier in a real store.
Sometimes you will see free shipping. This is great because it means you don't need to pay extra money for delivery.
And another important phrase is return policy. This tells you if you can return the item and get your money back if you don't like it. For example, 30-day return policy means you can return it within 30 days.
Let's do a quick mini role play to make it clear.
Okay, Jason, look. This laptop has a 25% discount and free shipping.
Nice. I want it. I'll add it to cart. What about the return policy?
It has a 14-day return policy.
Perfect. I'll go to checkout.
See? Very simple. Now you can talk confidently about buying things online on Black Friday.
Great. And next, we will share some tips for English learners on how to practice talking about shopping. Now, let's give you some practical tips to help you practice talking about shopping in English. These tips are easy, and you can use them every day.
Yes, and the first tip is practice simple shopping sentences at home. For example, say things like, "How much is this?" "Is this on sale?" or "I'm looking for a new shirt." Repeat them a few times. The more you say them, the easier they become.
Another great tip is to practice with real items around you. For example, look at your phone and say, "This phone cost $200. Or look at a shirt and say, "I bought this on a big sale." This helps you connect English to real life.
I like that. Here's another idea. Watch short shopping videos on YouTube or social media. Listen to how people ask questions in stores or online. Try to repeat what they say. This is a great listening and speaking exercise.
And if you want to practice more deeply, try this. Make a small shopping role play with yourself. Pretend you are the customer and the store worker. Ask a question, then answer it. For example, "Do you have this in another size?" "Yes, here you go."
That's actually really fun. Another helpful tip is to write 5 to 10 shopping phrases in a notebook and review them every day. Even 5 minutes of practice makes your English stronger.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just practice a little every day. Small steps make big progress.
Yes, the more you practice, the more confident you will feel when you talk about shopping or Black Friday in English.
Before we finish, let's talk about some common mistakes English learners make when talking about shopping or Black Friday. Knowing these will help you speak more correctly.
Yes, the first common mistake is using price and cost the same way. Many learners say, "How much does it price?" But that's wrong. The correct question is, "How much does it cost?"
That's a very common mistake. Another one is mixing up cheap and inexpensive. Cheap can sometimes mean low quality, but inexpensive means something is not expensive. For example, "This shirt is inexpensive" sounds more positive.
Good point. Another mistake is confusing sale and discount. A sale means the store has lower prices. A discount is the amount of money you save. For example, there is a sale today. There is a 20% discount on shoes.
Another mistake is asking, "This is free shipping?" The correct way is, "Does it have free shipping?" Or, "Is there free shipping?"
Yes, and many learners also forget to use polite phrases like "excuse me" or "can I?" Using polite language makes your English sound much better and more natural.
So remember these small corrections. They make a big difference in your English speaking. All right, listeners, now it's time for a quick speaking challenge. This will help you practice the phrases you learned today. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just speak confidently.
Yes, we will ask you a question, then you repeat the answer after us. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. Is this on sale? Repeat after me. Is this on sale?
Good. Now question 2. How much is the discount? Repeat. How much is the discount?
Great! Now let's try a full sentence. Repeat after me. I'm looking for a new jacket.
Nice! Let's do another one. Repeat. Do you have this in another size?
And one more. This one is useful for buying online. Repeat. Does it have free shipping?
Perfect. You did an amazing job. These small speaking exercises will help you become more confident and natural in English.
Keep practicing every day, even for 1 minute. It really helps. All right, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we learned today.
Yes. Today we learned what Black Friday is, the most important vocabulary like sale, discount, deal, and doorbuster, and useful phrases for shopping both in stores and online.
We also practiced a real-life conversation, learned common mistakes, and did a quick speaking challenge to help you practice right away.
Remember, the key is practice every day. Even small steps like saying a few phrases or reading a Black Friday ad will make your English much stronger.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to speak. Make mistakes and keep trying. You are improving every time you practice.
Yes, keep practicing, have fun, and soon you will feel confident talking about shopping or Black Friday in English.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the English Learning Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about Black Friday in English.
If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to comment below. Tell us what you learned today or which phrase you will practice first.
Yes, your practice matters, and we want to hear from you.
See you in the next episode for more English learning fun.
Bye for now, and keep practicing.